Okay, I'm not a huge planner. I'm not the kind of person who likes to make a plan for everything. I don't make itineraries for vacation or pre-book every second of my day, but there are some things that are just too important to simply wing it. For example, your money. Unfortunately, a lot of us were never taught how to create a plan for our money that empowers us to enjoy life now and have security for the future. Hey, I'm Lorianne. I'm the co-founder of Dow Janes and a money coach, but I did not always have this money game figured out. I learned the hard way that if you don't make a plan for how to spend, save, and invest your money, it typically ends up in someone else's pocket. So here in this video are 6 steps to create a money plan that ensures that you can build wealth and live without financial stress. Number 1, follow my step-by-step roadmap to wealth. This roadmap is designed to make sure that you do things in the right order to build wealth as fast as possible. I'll put a link in the description to a video that covers this roadmap in detail, but at a high level, here are the sequence of actions you want to take and the grand plan of your money. First, step 1 is you need to make sure that you spend less than you make every month. That means there's money left over at the end of the month that you can put towards the next stages of the roadmap. The second stage is to pay off any high interest rate debt, meaning any debt with an interest rate above 7%. Then you're gonna build an emergency fund, and then you will start to invest. Like I said, I got a full video that covers that in detail, which I will link to, but doing things in this order sets you up to build wealth quickly, to achieve financial security, and it lowers the risk of losing money once you start investing so that you are investing successfully. The second step to your plan is to set a monthly target. So whichever stage of that roadmap you are working, you are gonna set a monthly target for it. This is either the amount of money that you want left over at the end of the month, or it's an amount of money you're putting towards paying off the high interest rate debt, or an amount that you're putting towards saving up your emergency fund, or an amount that you're contributing to your investments. Whichever stage of the roadmap you're in, you're gonna set a monthly target for that goal. It's really important to have a monthly target because this is what lets you know if you are on or off track in any given month in achieving your goal. And that helps you make your daily spending decisions. If you're on track to hit your monthly target, then you can spend your money freely. And if you're off track, then you know you need to alter your spending for the rest of the month so that you can hit your target. A strategy I love to use is to actually just move my monthly target money out of my account first. That way, I don't have to think too hard about it. I know that all the money that's left in my account is mine to spend because I've already taken care of hitting my monthly target to achieve my financial goal. Step number 3 is to identify your values. Money is simply a tool. It's a tool to help us make our lives easier, to help us live the lives that we want. So you need to know what is important to you. This helps inform how you can best spend your money in a way that feels great to you. I want you to identify 3 to 5 of your core values. Your values might be something like security, creativity, adventure, family, health, friendship. My values are growth, family, health, and freedom. So when I'm spending my money, I am asking myself, which of my values does this support? And if it doesn't support any of them, I give it a long second thought to whether or not this is really something that is worth my hard-earned money. Knowing your values, it helps you make sure that all of your financial decisions are aligned with what you want for your life. So what are your values? Tell me in the comments down below. The next step is to create a budget. Now that you know your financial goal, you know the monthly target to hit it, and you know what values matter to you, you can create a spending plan for all of your money. This is called a budget. And if you want to learn more about our simple approach to budgeting, we've got a full video on it, which I will link to in the description below. Step number 5 is to track your progress towards your goals. Now that you built your plan, you simply need to check in on it. And I recommend doing that every week. We are simply forced to make decisions about our money a lot, like daily. So you don't want to go too long in between checking where you are against your spending plan. You want to have a pretty good finger on the pulse, a good You want to really know. You want to just know what's happening with your money. So I recommend creating a weekly money ritual to make sure that you're staying within your budget and that you are on track to meet your financial goals. This will help you stay focused and motivated. And speaking of motivation, step number 6 is to reward yourself for hitting milestones on your plan. It is important to make the journey to financial wellness as pleasant as possible. So whenever you hit a major milestone or accomplishment, celebrate. Go out with friends, get a mani-pedi, do something to treat yourself, okay? You have to actually make the progress feel good and rewarding so that you stick with it. All right, I hope this video has helped you figure out how you can create a real plan for your money and just get money to be something that is working for you in your life. If you enjoyed this video, do me a solid, give it a thumbs up. That really helps us out so that we can keep creating free content for you to teach you more about saving and investing your money. And if you want to learn more about growing your money, check out our free webinar, Think Like an Investor, where we teach you the principles of successful investing and our signature aligned money method so that you can spend and save in a way that feels painless and natural to you. I'll put the link in the description below. See ya!